Hello, and we're back again. It is Stress Clinic every Saturday at exactly 7:45. My name is Chris Clean, and you're watching NBS Television. We get you the highlights from the show Stress Clinic that happens every Monday night at Levels Lounge, right opposite the Uganda Museum. Action after action, and this week we have who I refer to this champion as a traditional rapper and poet, champion Spider MC.
Wova baluti wekuba bowona ne bakuweereza obugambo genda olye kokoyo.
Casting yes and Jagala.
Nsaza kabirize n'ennyuma sitera kugoloddeko bakinze ne mula bambyolyeko.
We do have Salvador, champion Patrick Salvador, an international comedian from Uganda, Kampala, from Ombokoro.
Even though he left me, I'm a strong woman, wise woman.
And of course, Why Kibenda, boy so tender, tatunda vienda, tatunda muziki.
My baby, my baby, wait it up, baby.
So tonight we get it, and hey, no more wasting time, let the action begin.
Seye yakumbala maza mayanja nga noonya ekikusika makule kyatutwalibwako ne tutatereera waka. Seye yakumbala maza mayanja nga noonya ekikusika makule kyatutwalibwako ne tutatereera waka. Enkyukakyuka ntokonze gye ndaba gyenva ebugwanjuba n'abavubuka abo mwe nakulira mpulira tessuubi lisigadde wamu bunaayira ne bijja abisuubuza ng'asuubira ossumululwa. Ewaka ffe tuli bataka nono yeetufuga eyeewaga tetuli mu mpaka si byani asinga bunda yafuga abeeyo ewaffe mwoyo yafuga bunda tutambula free nga balya nsonda beebuuza abaali balina nga boolesa baalagawa yaani oyo eyazikkiza omusubbaawa essuubi ly'omufiriko okutuukawo okuzaawa okola kulinnyeeka mitego gy'obuuka obutego bw'abalya mmere kisima n'osimattuka woova baluti weekuba bw'owona ne bakuweereza obugambo genda olye enkokoyo bw'owunuusuka ng'otuuseeka oŋŋambira ku byeyo ensi bwe yatuuka byafafaggana ekibbeeyi nkya kinoonya tekirabika olugendo lwawala n'ab'eŋŋanda nkyabakunga tebawulira omulanga gwawala aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola oyo aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola. Owe wange simanga bwe nsima luganda wange tokkola ttima onnangira ne byendidde n'enjula okubyegoga luganda lw'ewaka lujja luvaako nga yaka bw'ofunayo oba mu mpaka bw'obawaayo akikola atya awanda neewuunya ansa nkyebuuza lwaki bufirika kisaawe kya mizannyo gya mpalana bannabyabufuzi langi ne zitukyankalanya ne bapalapalanya mazima ne bagacyaŋŋamusa batuleka tusika muguwa awanda neewuunya ekibbeeyi nkya kinoonya tekirabika olugendo lwawala n'ab'eŋŋanda nkyabakunga tebawulira omulanga gwawala aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola oyo aye n'akola ntya tabula bw'akola.
Mpulira nsaza akabiri nze n'ennyuma sitera kugula ngoloddeko bakinze ne muwula bambi olyeko engeregeze nazinabyeko leero ebijanjalo omumanyo nabigyeko nakwesunga ddanga tukyali amapeere enkyamamawo kati nze nkwetegekedde nafunye na bambi nachi bambi be my love Ulira nasindika omubaka nakuntwalako olw'ensonyi nyingi nakunkwanako nasomba amapeera mu nkuba sijja kwerabira ebyaluli nakunyonyogera n'onywegera ebisigadde byali mu luyi engalo ensambagere ne mamawe nakwesunga ddanga n'ekyamamawo kati nze nkwetegekede bambi nachi bambi be my lover.
There's the thing which happens when you're drunk. You are very rude. You are talking to everybody because you have money. You start saying, hey, waitress, I don't like the service of this place. You people you are serving. In fact, we are tired. Bring the bill. That is where, especially Northerners, that is where our problems start. Bill. So they bring the bill. You are rude to the waiter. You are like, I asked you the bill 30 minutes ago. You are just bringing it now. Do you think we are just here to waste time on the bill that is for, the bill that is supposed to, the bill which, now you start asking your friends, but who is the one who drank the 26 club here? All of a sudden you become polite and you call the waiter. Now you are abusing the waiter, calling them idiot. Now you start, excuse me, sir. Yes, 1 minute, please. The waiters come. Yes, well, how can I help you? This bill, is it ours or for the whole place? Let me tell you something about drinking very expensive and very cheap alcohol. Especially women, you need to control yourself. You need to know what alcohol works for you. If you're for wine, drink wine. If you're for champagne, drink champagne. Do not go jumping on whiskey if you have never drunk whiskey. There's nothing as painful as seeing a drunk girl in the club who thinks they know you. Oh my God, Salvador, come. Salvador, come. And then because you want to be respectful, you come. Salvador, I like your things. You're like, my what? Those comedy things of yours. You are funny, but my boyfriend is very fun. My boyfriend is funny, but even your boyfriend is funny. Salvador, Salvador. Then all of a sudden she becomes emotional. You don't even know how. No warning. Salvador, my boyfriend left me. You stand there and you're like, okay. But even though he left me, I'm a strong woman, wise woman. And by the way, you men, you are all dogs. And then you start asking yourself, what have I done? By yourself, I know you men. I know you men. And now the problem is, now she has gotten your attention and she'll just leave you without warning. I know you men. You're Jessica, over to Gent. Now you're standing there like a fool. Drink what you know. Expensive whiskey makes you talk nicely. Some ladies are here drinking some nice whiskey. At the end, they'll be like, oh. Especially the guys, they'll be like, oh. Yo, Salvador, man. You're the shit, man. Listen, yeah. Yo, bro, man. I love you, bro, man. Yo, oh, man, Salvador. Listen, hold on. Mike. Yo, Salvador is here, man. I'm telling him how I love him. Yo, come say hi. Yo, Mike is also a big fan. That is expensive whiskey. Cheap. Hey! Salvador. Yeah. Michael, Django. Salvador, uno, Salvador, you also come here. And you're like, yeah, it's a bar. Salvador, Aguamo.
Hello, oh my baby. Oh, Tuki demo, my baby. You know, you're my baby. Oh, Bonye Zagayaye. And I've been searching for true love. And I've been seeking from above. C'était toi depuis le début. Et ça sera nous jusqu'à la fin. Après ma maman chérie boubou. Ma bébé, ma bébé, my baby, my baby, my baby, wait it up, my baby, my baby, my baby, baby. Omukwano guyikanga jira kulinga kisenso mwesiba mukiwato simota olunaku mulindwa alaba ne bakapo baze kulinga okusaga alaba bwetusombye ekyalo. Give me a pino direction kwateka boda bicycle eno kajamu kakute n'omutima baby guluma Oria majoba kauta Deje tulie tuve Yukunywasi today We celebrating love Nafunye kuno banange kuno Misana nechiro Ona kupera mokino Sing with me Heaven must be missing an angel Such a beauty but she's so humble Mudisco no yewala bigambo no mukwano no takaba kwa wendo ono tomu kwatako wange tomu gambako fira wonkuba bulo my brother don't you try at all my babe malaika malisanganze malaika Sweetie, a woman got sweetie, pretty, anyiranga queenie. Lead me, Jonah Gendanga, I'm coming. Maybe on Zadide Yakana, maybe Nazibu Kanze Redna Kulava Malaika Onjakirangangetara Sir Malaika
Who said that Monday nights have to be the worst days of the week? Well, not Levels. Level up with us every Monday night. The show goes on from 8 p.m. till late, and you do not want to miss a bit of it. But if you do, we have our highlights playing every Saturday night at exactly this time, 7:45 on NBS Television, your best and favorite television. And of course, we are on YouTube, in case you miss everything. My name is Joquis Clean. See you on Monday at Stress Clinic at Levels. And of course, see you on Saturday when we're running the highlights here at 7:45 on NBS Television. Jah bless, Jah protect and guide. Joquis Clean, Mr. Elevation, #1 champion. Love and life to the people.